Today we are going to talk about public speaking and presentations. So our first tip is how to make your presentation better by using body language. Yes, body language will make your presentation look better. Remember, what you say is only half of your presentation success. How you say it is just as important. So today we're going to talk about body language. First thing we're going to talk about is posture.
Hello, I'm Tara, and today I'm going to talk about apples.
Now notice how Tara has slouched shoulders and she's not moving. Let's try again with better posture.
Hello, I'm Tara, and today I'm going to talk about apples.
Great. Now we're going to add some gestures.
Hello, I'm Tara, and today I'm going to talk about apples.
Finally, a tip to stand proud. If you sit, it looks like this.
Hello, my name is Tara, and today I'm going to talk about apples.
If you stand up, you automatically look more confident.
Hello, my name is Tara, and today I'm going to talk about apples.
Great job, Tara. Thank you so much for watching. Please put in the comments if you have any questions, and look out for more presentation tips on this channel. Bye. Practice, practice, cut.